Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create trending AI photo using Gemini AI, or you can easily create 3D photos in to or you can create Navratri 3D photo with Gemini, or Durga Puja trending or Navratri special trending photos using Gemini AI. So let's go through it. So what you need to do is, first you need to install a Gemini AI, or you simply go to Google and type Gemini AI. So here I will show you how to do it with an app. So I have installed the app, just open it, and after that you need to select the plus icon, then click on gallery. From here you need to select the image that you want to create, and now here you have to type the prompt. All the prompts I will mention in the description. There are lots of prompts that you can easily create any kind of images you want with your photo. So I will enter the prompt here, and after pasting the prompt you need to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see the image has been changed. You can even change the color of the saree from red to green or black or any other color you want. So by this way you can easily create images of your own. You can also download this by simply click on the download option at the above. Even you can create another look by simply adding another image, or the image now you need to wait for some time. And here is the image that I have entered the prompt into. So this way you can easily create Navratri special trending photo using Gemini AI, and you can also download it by clicking on the above download icon. So I have mentioned all the prompts that will help you to create this kind of images easily within step. So that's all for now. Thank you.